Hey people, how y'all doing this morning? It's the ADR guys back with you. It's going to be a real short video. Just want to give y'all a few tips and pointers on landscaping and flower beds. So let's get right on into it. We do our landscaping in the fall and the winter. We try to encourage our clients to do the same. There's a few reasons why you would want to try this out for yourselves. One, the temperatures are a lot cooler. Generally, there's a lot more moisture in the ground, so anything you need to do is going to be a lot easier. Secondly, most of the weeds and grass are going dormant, so when you put a weed block down, it's going to kill everything out by the time spring comes, so it's going to be a lot less work. So let me show you. Right down here, I put in this hardscape stone in the ground. I buried it about 6 inches, and it was super easy to do. So that's why you want to do this in the fall and winter. Plus, I wouldn't sweat my butt off doing it. Secondly, you want to use a good weed block and put it down. Something that's a mesh weed and that's permeable. That way, moisture gets through and air gets through. And that way, by the time spring comes, all your weeds and grass are dead. Alright, so let's come over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. When I started this project, this is what it looked like over there. A bunch of weeds and grass. So to save time, I sure as heck want to pull all this up. So this is why we do this all in the winter time. You see we've got our mesh fiber weed block down. I've got it held down with rocks. I hadn't got to the nursery to get any mulch down. But here's what it looks like underneath just 2 weeks later. You can tell it's windy out. That stuff is already dying out. Everything's turning yellow. So by the time spring comes around, all that stuff will be dead. And you won't have to worry about doing any digging. What you also want to do when you get the time is once you get all this down, you want to put mulch in there. A real good mulch, about 4 inches deep. I don't recommend pine mulch. One, because it deteriorates and you got to replace it every year. We always use a cedar mulch. You can use cypress or anything like that. We like the cedar, one, because it doesn't rot and break down, so we don't have to replace it every year. Secondly, a lot of insects won't mess with it and get in there because of the tenants and stuff in the wood. So that's pretty much about it. When spring comes around, you're ready to plant. So you can have a lot more fun, take the time to do it right, lay it out how you want it, and you're not doing all the weeding and frustration and trying to hurry it and get everything in the ground before summer rolls around. So guys, we appreciate you watching. Y'all have fun and have a great weekend. Thanks.